Welcome to Fortune Tech Debate, where we debate the issues of the day in 2 minutes. Today we're discussing Snapchat, whose next strategy is getting into original video programming. Lisa Marie, is this enough to save the company, whose stock, by the way, is trading at near all-time lows?
Yeah, I think it is. I think it's a really new and fresh idea, and it's a new way for its users to engage on the platform. It's going to be really exciting to see how it works.
I totally disagree. I think this is going to be ruinous for Snapchat. The company has totally mucked up its strategy over the past few months, starting with its redesign, that Evan Spiegel, the CEO, is pushing. It was a total disaster. And they've, look at some of the other stuff they've tried to do, releasing hardware like spectacles where you can film your friends with goofy sunglasses. It's been an abject failure, and I think this is going to be the same thing.
Yeah, well, that kind of just proves Snap is willing to try new things, which is really exciting. And, the redesign didn't work, so they started rolling it back a little bit. And, spectacles didn't take off, so they're moving on to something else. Isn't that what you want in a company? Innovation?
Yeah, you definitely want innovation. But, I mean, if you look at a company like Facebook's into Instagram, Instagram has totally eaten Snapchat's lunch. They moved in, copied Snapchat's feature, and now Stories has more than double the daily active users that Snapchat does. That's something that Snapchat was, that was its reason to be. That was its reason for existing, that kind of short video clip thing. Now Snapchat's going to try and get into the game that Netflix and Hulu are playing in. Netflix deploys $8 billion a year on original content. I really just don't see this working out.
It's interesting you mentioned Instagram, since its founders just left. Facebook and Instagram aren't doing so great leadership-wise. And, I don't know if Snap is really trying to be Instagram at this point. I think that they know their niche. They know that they're going after this Gen Z market, and they're doing what works for their audience. And I mean, in terms of Netflix, this isn't a Netflix thing. The videos and episodes are going to be about 5 minutes long. It's vertical, very different. And they're trying their own thing.
Well, if you're going to be an advertising business, you need scale, and I don't see them getting scale. Anyway, time is up. Come to fortune.com for more tech debate.